Market recap for Wednesday, October 9th. Wednesday's cattle auction day at the Windsor Livestock Auction. They're expecting about 2,000 head for Wednesday. A couple of big stickouts for Wednesday: 91 head of 614-pound heifers, 267, 79 head of 724-pound heifers at 254 and a quarter, 68 head of 624-pound heifers, 272 and a quarter, 53 head of 525-pound heifers at 290, 42 head of 623-pound heifers at 269 and a half, 34 head of 584-pound steers at $3 per pound. South Central Regional Stockyards in Vienna also has a sale for Wednesday. A couple stick-out sales there. 23 head of 853-pound steers, $237.75. 21 head of 662-pound steers at $271. 17 head of 604 pounds at $270 for those heifers. Daily Direct Afternoon Hog Report for Wednesday. Barrels and gilts nationwide head count, 2,372 head from 69 to 76 and a half, weighted average 75.16, down 132 from the previous report. Box beef cutout values, choice cuts closed this afternoon at 308.18, up 134, select cuts at 288.63, up 2 cents. That's based off of 189 total loads, 138 loads of choice, 32 of select, 3 loads of trimmings, and 16 loads of grinds. Looking at the afternoon slaughter cattle review for Wednesday. Thus far for Wednesday in the Southern Plains and Nebraska, negotiated cash trade has been at a standstill. Last week in the Southern Plains at live FOB purchases at 186. In Nebraska last week at 187 with the dressed at 296. In the Western Corn Belt, negotiated cash trade slow on live demand. A few live FOB purchases at 187, however too few for a market trend. Last week in the Western Corn Belt, live FOB purchases from 187 to 188 with the dressed at 296. Estimated daily livestock slaughter under federal inspection from Wednesday. Estimated cattle receipts at 125,000, 1,000 more than last week, 1,000 less than a year ago. The weekday estimate 359,000. Estimated hog receipts for Wednesday 486,000, steady with last week, 3,000 more than a year ago. The weekday estimate 1,441,000. Looking at the closing futures on the Chicago Board of Trade, corn contracts, December 421 up 1/4 cent, March 438 down 1/4 cent, May 447 and a quarter down 1/4 cent. November soybeans up 4 pennies, 10.20 and a quarter, January up 2 1/2 at 10.37, March up 2 1/4, 10.51 and a half. December wheat up 4 1/4 at 5.99, March up 4 cents, 6.22 and a quarter, and May up 3 1/2 at 6.34 3/4. On the Mercantile Exchange, live cattle, October down 27 cents at 188.20, December down 65 at 187.22, February down 77 cents at 188.17. Feeder cattle contracts, October 249.27 down 105, November down 162 at 248.67, January down 157 at 245.87. Lean hogs, October closed down 20 cents at 83.92, December down 160 at 75.57, and February down 132 at 79.45. Looking at the Missouri cash grain bids paid to producers, the daily trends for Wednesday: soybeans 4 to 6 higher, wheat 4 higher, corn steady. Corn bids in St. Louis $4, Kansas City $3.76 to $3.81, Milo in St. Louis at $4.86. Soybeans in St. Louis $10.02 to $10.03, Kansas City $9.60 to $9.85. Wheat bids in St. Louis $5.09 to $5.59. Let's look at your market recap for Wednesday with the Missouri Department of Agriculture. This is Caroline Carter. Have a great day.